Hi everyone, it's Barbara at BCsells. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an Ann Taylor haul. Okay, I have to tell you, I have waited just about 6 weeks for most of these items. 2 of the items came like within 2 weeks of my order, and then this last few, it seemed like forever. And when you call customer service, I was on hold for an hour. I waited, because I wanted to know, okay, I just wanted an update. Did my order get canceled, and what's going on? He said it was still in the system. It took another 2.5 weeks since then to get my items. So I am excited. I didn't realize though that it's final sale. When I placed my order, some of the items were final sale, but this last batch that I got, it said final sale. So, they probably went on sale for less than what I ended up paying for them since it's been so long. But that's okay. So I received 5 items and I spent $121. I don't remember what great sale they had, but the very first thing that I got right away are these leopard shoes. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Are they just the cutest thing? Love them. Okay, these are regular $128 and I paid $44 for them. I like how they cut, see how they're lower on this side than on that side? They're low there too, but they look a little lower here. You know what? Let's try them on. Let me get my socks off. And then I'll show you the other items. The other items, they're sweaters. I bought sweaters. Yes, I did. I forgot what I bought. And then when the box came, it just came yesterday. So I was like, what did I order? And I just opened it and I was like, oh, I ordered sweaters. Okay, it's 90 degrees outside, but I'll try them on. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Let me back up. Look at those. Love them. Let me give you a closer look. Aren't those nice? These are a Barbara shoe. These are gonna get a lot of use. I love them, love them, love them. Okay, let me show you what else I got. I got this popcorn sweater, a size medium. It is regular at $84.50. I paid $28 for it. I don't know why I bought a medium actually, but I did. Maybe I thought it would shrink. It looks actually a little big, but I'll try it on. We'll try everything on, see what it looks like. And then I picked up this Cranberry pullover sweater, regular $79.50. I got it for $13.95. You would pay $13.95 at a secondhand store. It's very thick. I like the Boatneck on it, and then the sleeves have a little ruffle on it. And I think, did it? Not on the bottom. It's very heavy. And I bought this in a medium also. Okay, this is probably where I messed up. I bought this in a small. It's a boat neck, not a boat neck, a square neck with, I think that's might be a half sleeve, not sure. Striped Luxe tee, regular $39.50. I paid $14 for this. Cute. Okay, this side I'm not so sure about. It was $59.50, paid $21.20. And the reason why I kept looking at it, so I thought, well, okay. They call it a mixed media tunic. So it's longer. I thought, oh, it'll look nice with leggings, or I don't know. I was thinking more like leggings. I like the back of it. And that's it. So let's do a try on. I'm excited to see if they even fit. Pretty cute. For $21.20, I like it. Okay, so this material in the front is different than in the back. This is more like that, I don't know what it is, but it's more like that stretchy modal material, which is okay for this because it's loose. And then the back is more like a cotton material. This is actually very cute. I mean, I could do a front tuck. No, I like it out. I actually like it. It's a nice, easy top to wear. Okay, let's try on something else. Okay, I'm really liking this top. This is the one that was $39.50 and I paid $14 for it. I wanted to buy more, but I wanted to try it on before I ordered any more of them. I like the neckline a lot. I like the half sleeve. Trying to stay away from stripes, but this is really cute. Okay, so I'm glad I have this. All right, oh, I've got two sweaters next. Hang on. So glad I went ahead and got this. I kept looking at it. $79.50 was the regular price, and I paid $13.95. It's a little big, but maybe I can throw it in the dryer. How cute is this? And I like the color. The neckline is nice because it's a little wider. It's not just a round neck. And I like the sleeves on it. This is really cute. Okay, it's worth the wait. One more item. Last item, the popcorn sweater. Okay, this is really cute. It was regular $84.50 and I paid $28 for it. It might be a little bit big, but no, I think it's perfect. It was really cute. I like this a lot. I like the length of the sleeves. I might even be able to wear this like even in the summer, like on a cooler night. I'm so excited I was able to share my Ann Taylor haul with you guys. It took forever to get these things. Honestly, I mean, I understand, but I don't think I'm gonna order anything else from them. I'm gonna wait for the stores to open or order them online and go to the store and pick them up. That's what I'm gonna wait for because I forgot what they were, but it's worth the wait. I love everything that I received. I think it's all a great price, especially with a pair of shoes, $121. I will leave links to everything below. If it's not there, I won't leave the link. It's just there for your information. So if there's anything you want to know about any of them, click on the link and it'll take you right to Ann Taylor's site. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours. And be safe, everyone.